business ideas you can start right now and how to start them. Start your own multi-vendor food delivery business like Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats. You can get complete ready-to-launch combo of food delivery application where you can get a user app, seller app, driver app, admin panel, and complete 1-year free technical support. Starting your food delivery business is now easy where complete technical team is available for any help and they are available for your application. Launch, promote it, market it and everything, and that is how your application will look. You can see your application will look like this. You can also get customized feature as per your requirement. For more you can directly contact our team, and this is how the application on Play Store will look. For more you can directly contact our team. Number is showing on the screen and I will see you in the next video.